A smart move adds value to your life and the environment. Whether at home or at business, each time we think smart, we add value to our lives. And this has been our inspiration at Tata Motors, India's largest commercial vehicle manufacturing company. Taking this to the next level is the Tata Motors BS6 range of vehicles and technology. And that is what led to the innovation of unique technology for the bus segment, where we have crafted two distinct vehicle vitals for you. Firstly, a brand new straight frame chassis, which offers maximum modularity. With an aggregate positioning between axles to cater to multiple wheelbases, it offers better seating and sleeper options. Also, other aggregates like the new BS6 cooling system and the new DEF tank are well supported. Further, an improvement in the pedal position will help in reducing driver fatigue. The other is the heart of the vehicle, which in this case is a smart value proposition, driving home the promise of power and performance. Presenting the Tata 5-litre Turbotronn engine, which is crafted with contemporary features to provide you a twin advantage: compliance of the new BS6 emission norms and a reduction in TCO. Developed from a clean sheet design for medium-duty applications traditionally dominated by 6-cylinder engines, the Tata Motors 5-litre power plant can produce from 180 HP and 590 Nm torque up to 200 HP and 850 Nm torque. Performance parameters of 4-cylinder Tata Motors 5-litre engine are achieved at lower RPMs compared with many older generation 6-cylinder engines. The engine, which thus is best in class, comparable to any European brand in its segment, offers inherent advantages. For you, the customer, with an understanding that cost is the most important factor for you, our reliable 4-cylinder feature technology is aimed at reducing your TCO by bringing to you better fuel economy, higher power or torque, better low-end torque, and better emission control. A reliable rear gear train with zero maintenance provides a robust system, reducing your running costs. The Poly V-belt system with auto tensioner increases life of the belts and at the same time brings down the service requirement. For the drivers, the common rail system and wastegate turbocharger improve performance and offer a silent, more peaceful drive with reduced noise. A more comfortable driving experience means that the driver can be on the road for a longer, stress-free ride. We care about the experience of the end user, that is the passenger, and the simple structured single overhead camshaft and roller finger follower takes care of two important aspects for them: comfort and convenience by lowering the NVH and safety by overspeed protection. Also, improving the structural rigidity and thereby reducing noise and vibrations is the cylinder block with bed plate. All this contributes to a more enhanced travel experience. The Tata 5-litre 4-cylinder engine, a prime example of best-in-class technology, is equipped with an efficient cooling system, ensuring the health of the engine. A top-down cooling system with an e-viscous fan means critical areas get efficient cooling. Offering better thermal protection coupled with a reduced pressure drop are the double thermostat elements of the engine. A manufacturing process involving new technology along with reliable production techniques as well as contemporary design make the 5-litre Turbotronn an ideal performer in the long run and the best choice for vehicles. Technology is one end of the spectrum, and at the other end, we look at another important aspect for the customer, the value-added services that we provide under the umbrella of Sampoorna Seva. At Tata Motors, you are seeking ways that can enhance profitability by reducing the operating cost of buses without compromising on vehicle performance. And we are here to ensure that you get the best of technology and at the same time service it so that your road to revenues is smooth.